Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be going through how to hide the top bar. So if you have a smaller screen like me, I have only 14-inch laptop, so if you have a small screen like me, you want every bit of that screen. So it feels really congested, even if you have that small top bar in it. So let's see how we can hide that in today's video. So without ado, let's start. So just open up your terminal, then we'll just update the packet manager. So we'll be achieving that with GNOME cell extension manager. So once your update packet manager update is finished, we'll just install the GNOME extension manager through this command. So sudo apt install GNOME extension, GNOME cell extension manager. So after that has been installed, it will be under your apps as extension manager. Just open that. So the native Ubuntu does not support that, so we just need to install the third-party app to achieve that. So just go into the extension manager and then go into the browse section, browse tab, and then just search for hide top bar. So let's install that from Tuxer1337. So once that has been installed, so it has already done its job, so you can see there is no top bar. So if you want to go into deep and just do your own preference kind of thing, just can go into this the settings icon and then just update that as per your requirement. So we can have the sensitivity, animation, and all those kind of things. So yeah, that's so I've got the full screen in my small laptop. So if you go to the full screen, it will automatically hide that. If you just minimize or drag and drop, it will just show the top bar again. So yeah, that's working good. Yeah, so this is how you hide your top bar. This is a really short video, but I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and please support by subscribing, like and share. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.